This is the Fabulicious AMUSE-56 in black lace. There'll be a link in the bio if you want to buy it, and I'll be reviewing this gorgeous 5-inch heel today. Hello everyone, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda and I'm here reviewing today a pair of Fabulicious shoes. This is a classic one that we have in stock. It also comes in white, which I'll show you. This is the AMUSE-56. It's a 5-inch heel in black and it's a little booty style, which I think you'll love. It's super cute and a really popular wedding shoe, but in the black you can really jazz it up, maybe wear it with a pair of jeans or something, just to really give it a different look. So as you can see, it's a single sole. Take all the padding out, it comes really well wrapped. And it's that sort of see-through mesh lace. Really kind of punk rock, but also gives that really dainty edge as well. You could, depending on what you're wearing, you could make this look two different looks. And then the bottom, ooh, this is new. So the bottom here is a velvet. I don't know how this is going to feel or walk, but I'll give it a go and I'll give you guys my honest opinion on how that feels on carpet and then on concrete outside. Then we've got a nice zip down the side here, which has this really soft covering as well. So that's not going to dig in on your foot at all. It just covers it there and makes it really nice and comfortable. And then this edge also is lined, so it's going to feel a lot better on your foot as well and not cut in too much. Now, I believe I'm doing an 8 today. Yes. Normally I'm a 7 to an 8. We'll see how this 8 feels. In the single sole as well, it might be a little bit more uncomfortable because you don't have that big platform at the front, but then you do get that beautiful silhouette. So, you know, and then the back bit here is padded as well. You'll be able to see it's really firm and padded in there, so you're not going to feel like you're sliding out of the lace at all. It's giving you the support that you need. And then they both come individually wrapped in these little mesh bags that you can recycle or you can use again. And the box is super cute too. I love the blue. And then also I have to say that this bottom bit here is fully lined as well. So they haven't cheaped out at all. And it's covered there. It has a little bit of squish, like it's not completely hard, but it's definitely not a memory foam bottom. And then in here, there's a little bit more padded, but not stacked. So I'll let you know how it feels. They do look super cute. Now, wait, I will just compare the white ones and the black. So we have reviewed these white ones before and we're doing the black today. These are a super popular wedding shoe. As you can see, that white lace is just so great for those type of events. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's a lot softer than what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to feel a lot more scratchy, but it's quite soft. So this is an 8. I would probably go a 7 in this one, just with how it fits. And the top of my foot is quite narrow. The width is pretty normal, but I'm not super narrow that way. But yeah, here I've got a bit of a gap. So I would probably go a 7 in these, which is my normal size. So these look really cute. You can match them with a pair of ripped denim jeans. That would look really cute, or black jeans or something like that, or even a short cut-off skirt with like tartan sort of print. There's so many different looks that you could do with these shoes. And in the 5-inch, they're not too high, so it doesn't really matter that it's not a double soled. It's just that single sole look. So you'll still be able to get away with wearing these for a while because it's not super high, but still giving that really classy look. And they're pretty easy to walk in. I do have a little bit of room in this one, so I would definitely go to my normal size, which is a 7, but I can still walk in these pretty fine. And I'll give you guys a side look as well. Alright, and let's head outside into the sunlight and see what they're like outside. You'll really be able to see the detail in the lace as well when we head outside. And it's nice and sunny, so I'm sure you'll love the weather. I know we do have a lot of American followers and people in the Northern Hemisphere, so I hope you're not too cold if it's snowing where you are, because it's 33 degrees here in the Gold Coast. Really easy to walk in. They're looking super cute, and you can see that lace just standing out a little bit more in the daylight as well. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is the AMUSE-56 in black lace. If you do like this one or the white one, we've now done a review on both. Let me know what you think. Also, we read all the comments, so if you have anything to say or you want to see certain videos, let us know. We love hearing from you guys. And don't forget, there'll be a link in the description to pick these up straight from the Pleaser or Fabulicious website. Oh, I didn't tell you about this. I couldn't even notice that it was velvet on the bottom. So I didn't feel slippery at all. It must, you know, double as a bit of grip. So yeah, I'm not fussed with that. I think it was alright. Thanks so much. I'm Amanda. See you. Bye.